Hey everyone, my name is Elijah from Townfolio, and I'm here to show you how to use Townfolio to compare different communities. So first you're going to go to analytics.townfolio.co, and then on the right here you're going to compare the two or three different communities that you would like to have some analysis on. So I'm going to just go with Regina in Saskatoon, and voila, all of a sudden I'm able to compare them across population and then demographic. So that would be for demographics, and then for there I would go to labor force, and then I can also look into quality of life, housing, transportation, education, and maybe some commercial activity as well. You can change the format of the graphs here by just clicking on the different formats available. And then after that, what you can do is you can download the data sets here, print them, or download them in certain image formats so you can share with different members of your staff or members of your stakeholders or communities. If you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out to us through the chat in the bottom right over here. Hope to hear from you soon and have a great day. Bye.